Hi, welcome to Goldleaf.Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to batch cook the most delicious tomato soup you'll have ever tasted. It's packed with nutrition, flavour, it's easy to cook, and it freezes really well. You'll absolutely love this recipe. This recipe makes around 5 litres of soup, so it's enough to share with your friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for more content. Today's shop was from Asda. All the ingredients cost approximately £9, excluding the oil, spices and onions. To make this recipe you will need 2 lemons, 3 medium onions, 41 grams of basil, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 478 grams of tomatoes, 9 garlic bulbs, 103 grams of ginger and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. The spices you will need are 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, a teaspoon of ajwain seeds, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt, and a teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. The herbs you'll need are 1 cinnamon bark, 2 whole star anise and 3 black cardamom pods. Right, let's get cooking. So preheat the oven to gas mark 6, that's 200 Celsius. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Place the tomatoes in a 13 by 1.5 inch round dish. Pour over 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Step 2. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of pink salt and add the garlic cloves. Step 3. Mix to ensure the tomatoes and garlic cloves are fully coated. Step 4. Roast the tomatoes at gas mark 6, that's 200 Celsius for 30 minutes. Step 5. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a hot pan, in with the chopped onions. Step 6. Saute the onions, stir to ensure that the onions do not burn. You can adjust the stove temperature from medium to high to brown the onions. Step 7. Fry the onions until lightly golden. Reduce the heat if necessary. Step 8. After 30 minutes, remove the roasted tomatoes from the oven. Now you'll notice the tomatoes are beautifully juicy. There's a lot of flavour bursting out from the tomatoes into the juice, and the garlic smells just divine. Step 10. After 45 minutes, remove the roasted tomatoes from the oven. As you can see, the roasted tomatoes and garlic are intensely reduced down. They're beautifully tender and caramelized. They're looking so wonderfully good right now. Step 11. Transfer the roasted tomatoes and garlic in with the caramelized onions into a large pot with 1 litre of hot water. Cook for 1 hour on medium to low heat, stirring occasionally. Step 12. Place the lid on the pot and continue to simmer on low heat. Step 13. After 1 hour, blend the mixture to a puree consistency, either in a food processor or you can use a hand blender. Step 14. Place the puree back into the pot and simmer on low heat. Step 15. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cups of hot water, followed by the herbs, cinnamon, cardamom and star anise. Step 16. Add in the basil, 2 small chopped green chilies. This is optional, of course. Step 17. Simmer the soup on low heat for 1 hour. Cook to your desired consistency. Now for a thinner consistency, you can add more water. Pour the piping hot tomato soup into your bowl and enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. Thank you so much.